Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to address something that a lot of people think is the case when it's not, and it's the fact of answering the comments in the channel. So, there are many ways to handle comments, and of course, at the same time as I do this video, I'll actually, once again, tell the rules, the basic rules, that these comments are approved, because there's too much trolling going on, including a lot of trolling with stuff that shouldn't be there, that is going through right now. The comments, when properly formulated, are all going and approved. The comments that I don't approve are the ones that have bad language, because there's no place for that here. So these are removed. It's sad because there are comments that are pretty good but have, F words and so on in there that you don't want. And unfortunately, I removed them because of that. If they were or had been formulated in a good language, in the proper language, they would have actually stayed on the comment section. One of the things that I do a lot is reply to comments in a video. And the reason why is because a lot of questions or comments are formulated in a way that I think that everybody might be interested in also having that information. So a lot of people that think I didn't answer to their own comments don't realize that I did in their video probably. And that is the main way I do reply to the comments. And of course, I do reply a little bit to the comments manually when they are minor questions or minor comments that I could, say a little something more on. But for the rest, a lot of what I do, I reply through videos. So if you actually asked a question, look at the videos coming up in the next few days. You might be surprised to see that I'll make a video actually explaining whatever question you actually asked. And the reason why is I think everybody enjoys and wants to have that answer. We always say when somebody asks a question, well, in general, there's a lot of people that probably have the same question. You're not alone. And that's why I think replying in videos is a good way. So that's the way I work. But, ground rule, if you do post comments, please do so in a proper language. It's very important because I won't let anything that does not have proper language. And a lot of channels on YouTube actually have the comments totally turned off. Why? Because it becomes too difficult to manage at one point. And I do not want to turn off comments. I think it's healthy and fun to have comments from everybody that, want to talk about it. Do they agree or not agree is fine. I mean, everybody has his opinion, and that is what makes a healthy conversation. So if you do post a question, if you do post a comment that might actually bring a video out of it, you might see that a video will address that in the same day or the days that follow that question. And of course, don't forget that bad language is something I do not want to see in any of the replies or any of the comments. And of course, if you reply to somebody else and treat that person like trash, not only will you not be able to comment anymore, but you will be banned from commenting, which means we'll never see your comments ever. So there's, a way to speak and a way to use the proper language to explain and talk about stuff that we agree or don't on a certain subject. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.